Special Agent Fox Mulder here, and we're just cruising up to do some rail founding. But I'll start a bit different off, start out in a bit of a journey through the old circus roundabout here. And the circus music starts playing. Now we're going to cross to the western side of the station this time, and we'll have a bit of a look around at some of the infrastructure down there and some of the old lines. So there might be a bit of mow equipment down there for Agent Mulder to put his eyeball upon there too as well. Perhaps. See, they've been doing a bit of work down here. That's one big pile of ballast right there. But perhaps I shouldn't park in front of it in case that digger wants to get into it. I'll park up over here anyway. And then I shall don my orange high-vis shirt and let the fun begin. Now these sleepers are huge, so perhaps they cover, looks like their base, some sort of the base they might have taken out from over here, but yeah, it's quite a bit of nostalgia sitting along the side there. So you can't take any of that to the scrap metal yard. That's off limits. That's all property of the train company there. So there's some old red gum. So we've got a bit of a pile of stuff going on here. So we're going to wander down and we're going to have a bit of a look at what we can see down there at the old junctions and what used to be a very important station. So we're at Somerville, which is about 50 kilometres southeast of Melbourne in Victoria, Australia. Oh, a couple of bin chickens, more commonly known as ibis. But yeah, found around bins. We colloquially name them bin chickens. And it looks like they've been doing a bit of work on this old spur here, or this old line here that's used to serve obviously the packing house, and that platform sitting up there. All right. So as we can see from here, we've got the three lines that converge. We'll wander up there and have a bit of a look. And looks like this is where they've been skull dragging those tyres out, because it doesn't look like there's any tyres in here. And I'd say they must have been just like doing the old slide out from under trick. You can see some of the tracks there. Got some old rail here. This is all crossover stuff. It's got frogs and all sorts of stuff here, as you can see. Really old stuff. Widescreen mode that. Get a bit of a look at that. So it's that rusty. I can't see any markings on it. So all right, we'll wander up and have a look at some of these switches and everything that aren't in use anymore. And here we have an interesting feature. We have some of these metal ties along some of this old track. I have no information on why they use these. I know they use them on the main to cover some of the electronics that may run to the tracks, but these are quite well spaced out here. They've taken the wooden ties out up to a point. Yeah, interesting bit of rail history there with the metal rail ties there, obviously for some more heavier trains. This is the sort of one here I'm talking about. They kind of used to, well, they run sort of electronics and, you know, I suppose old gears and stuff under there. And there's an old, really a couple of ancient red gum sleepers that are probably, you know, close on 70 or 80 years old. Here we have our changeover here, derailer. Been around for quite a while, that design of derail there. As we merge onto what I imagine would have been track 2, which is the track that runs onto the main. As we can see a bit further down, I wander down there further after the Doodlebug goes past. The Doodlebug's just about ahoy, so. And there's our old switch, disconnected of course. Yeah, I don't think even Superman's going to be moving that. Not going to make any difference because no one's coming along this line unless that. I started pointing with my finger then down the line instead of the camera. Unless that switch over there gets switched, then yeah, this is pretty irrelevant. So yeah, cool. All right, let's wait for some Doodlebug action. He should be coming from that direction down there at the Somerville station. Sun's starting to come out. And should get to about 27 degrees today, which is, well, that's just, yeah, so 80s for America, low 80s, late 70s, roughly around that anyway. So, bit of cloud cover at the moment, but I'm enjoying that sun coming out. Doodlebug ahoy! Pulling up to Somerville station. Traditional Monday double carriage. I seen it the other day in a single carriage form. On a Sunday they usually run a single carriage, and during the week occasionally. Alright, Doodlebug away. Widescreen mode. And he's away. Next off for him is Tyab Station. It's about 5 clicks down the road. I'll wander down this track a little bit further, and we'll have a look at the interchange onto the main. And hopefully the steel train will be coming today. I'm not sure though. I have no faith in the fact, but we'll be here if it does. Here's where the siding used to tie into the main. They've taken it right out now. You see that recent work that's been done. And looks like, yeah, we've got some brand new rail and some sleepers through there as well. Cool. See the sweep around there, that's on the Park Lane, just up in the distance there. Okay, let's see what else we can get. Fingers crossed for the steel train, of course, but yeah, no guarantees today. Interesting bit of rail kit there. Some sort of tie anyway. Rail plate, with the tie sitting over the top of it by the looks. Definitely a new track right there. That's printed in, that's been made in 2023. So it's this year's model of rail. And yeah, it's just recently laid to take out that crossover over there. Alright, Doodlebug ahoy. Smarter and Jack. What mode? Nice long horn salute there. He's pulled up short there. Cool. A brake demonstration for Agent Mulder on the side of the track here for the Doodlebug. Well done, that driver. There he goes. Alright, we'll flick it over the other side of the station, see what else we can get. And yeah, that was pretty cool. You could hear him motoring up there. Doodlebug ahoy. Coming from the other side of the station. And he meets some old equipment there. Oh, Doodlebug away. Hopefully the next train along will be the Steel Horse. We've got our fingers crossed anyway. Hear him motoring up there. Oh, let's have a look at this bagger here. It's got a bit of high rail on the front there. Digger on the back. Got supports, of course. And this is what's dragging your rail and your and also your tyres out by the looks of it. Some of those huge tyres just down there are pretty big. Cool. Oh well, it's kind of a train meet at least anyway. Oh, let's wait for this steel train. Alright. Alright, Steel Horse ahoy. That'll be his horn. Get a good bit of track time with him here. Been down here for about 4 hours, so Finally rewarded. What has he got on the front end here? Widescreen mode. He's motoring, Jack. Only got one ditch light. Corn salute. Gurners Lane Heritage sticker unit on the trail in there. Huge steel coils, heading to BH for blue scope, and one little upper car. Awesome. Finally a bit of confirmation now. I've been waiting for this for a little while, so awesome. We got him on track. Means he should be about, and we'll hopefully get him a bit later on this afternoon. Okay, well thanks for watching that. A bit of a tour around the old Somerville station. A couple of Doodlebugs, a demonstration of an emergency stop from the driver, thanks for that man, and the steel train. Go ahead and snap that like and subscribe button out, and have a great day where you are in the world, and I'll catch you in the next one, and that'll be Special Agent Fox Mulder out.